How do you change the keyboard layout on the iPhone? Let me show you the options that we have available. If you are new on this channel, consider subscribing for tutorials and videos like this one. So there is the ability to go to the settings app and check out the general section where you can scroll through a little bit and you find the keyboard. Then as well, we need to tap on the keyboards at the top and we can pick the languages in here, right? So you can add whatever language you want, and within that language, we also have some layout options. For example, when I go to the English, you can see I literally have like 4 layout options for the keyboard. So when I change it to something completely different, right, then you can see that it looks entirely different right there. So when I switch it like that, you can see that the keyboard has completely different layout. It's not like you can do it literally for any way. It's not like you can reorganize the keys as much as you want. I mean, that wouldn't make any sense, but you can switch to a different layout just in case you like that one more. And naturally, it also comes down to the language that you're using, because there are so many different languages which have their own symbols and they need like a different layout, or they have like more keys which are part of the keyboard. So it also works differently for a different language. But this is fundamentally how you can change the layout of your keyboard. Let me know if you managed to find it. Hit the thumbs up on this video if you found this tutorial useful. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you later.